In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover recently deleted Instagram photos, videos and stories. So go ahead and open up your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Now tap on the three lines in the top right hand of the screen. Tap into settings, then tap on account. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Tap into recently deleted. Tap on the post or story that you want to restore. Tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, then tap on restore. You'll get a pop-up menu. Tap on restore again. At this point you may be asked to confirm that it is you. So in this instance it's asking me to verify by sending an email, so I'm just going to do that now. Hit the next button and it will send me a 6-digit PIN code to my email, which I'm going to enter in now. Then when I'm done, I'm going to hit confirm. Now what we need to do is go through the steps again by tapping on the three dots in the top right hand corner and tapping on restore. Again, tap on restore in the pop-up menu. Head back to your profile. You may need to refresh your screen by pulling down, and as you can see here that the post has went back into my profile. There are more videos like this in my Instagram tutorial playlist if you want to check those out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.